Hi friends, this video is regarding color coding of cannula, which is regularly asked in NAEMS. So far this is the best way to memorize the color coding of cannula with help of visual memory. So let us imagine as the layers of nature. The innermost layer as the center of the earth, which contains lava. Lava is in orange color and we start with orange cannula, which is 14 gauss. Then comes soil. For now, let us think soil is in grey color, which is 16 gauss. As we go up, we add plus 2 gauss to each cannula. As of now, because a new cannula color is added, when we are studying cannulas, we imagine we are in Rann of Kutch, which has white sand in between. So white cannula, which is 17 gauss. Then comes green grass, which is green cannula, 18 gauss. Then comes pink flower, which is 20 gauss, and then blue sky, 22 gauss, yellow sun, 24 gauss, and then purple butterfly, which is 26 gauss. The purpose of this code is to improve visual memory rather than facts. Now let us discuss about the uses of these cannulas. What we need to remember is as gauze size increases, that is as we go from down to up, bore of the cannula decreases. Cannula becomes small, that is volume per minute, that is rate of flow. Whatever fluid flows through those cannulas decreases. So by this, orange cannula is the largest cannula available. So for studying uses, we start from down to up. Coming to the uses of orange cannula, remember it like lava. Whenever earth explodes, lava explodes, similar to the blood in trauma. So orange cannula is used for large volume replacements in major traumas like RTS. Then coming to the gray cannula. As we know, as we go up, bore of the cannula decreases. So severity for which we use should decrease. That is for minor trauma and bleeds like intrapartum, postpartum bleeds and surgeries, and also for high volume fluids if we need to infuse high volume fluids. Then coming to the green cannula. Apart from all these traumas, green cannula is one of the most common cannula used for blood transfusion and also for contrast studies and also for irritant medications, because if we infuse irritant medications through small cannulas, chance of reactions increases, and also for surgeries. Then coming to the pink cannula. For all IP patients, even if we need to transfuse normal saline, for any fluid, for any antibiotic or for any analgesic, we use pink cannula. So pink cannula will be the most common cannula used. Then coming to the blue cannula, if the veins are small, especially for females and all, we use blue cannula and also for cytotoxic therapy. And yellow and purple cannula are used for children. So far, white cannula doesn't have any specific uses. Thank you. Hope you like the video.